exercise number 1. Now we'll discuss fifth question. So here, what is the fifth question? If 3 tan A equal to 4, then find the sin A and cos A. Okay. So he given that 3 tan A is equal to 4. Done. 3 tan A is equal to 4. Here 3 is getting multiplied with tan A. Is it? 3 is getting multiplied with tan A. So we only need the value of tan A trigonometric ratio. So manaki tan A value kavali. Other than tan A, we are having a coefficient with it. Okay. So 3 is getting multiplied with tan A. So we have to transpose to other side. So now tan A becomes 4 by 3. Here it is getting multiplied. If it transpose to other side, it will get divided. So now the value of tan A will be 4 by 3. Similar to fourth question, how we did cos A is equal to 12 by 13. So similarly, if we have given a trigonometric ratio and he is asking to find other trigonometric ratios, first we need to construct a right angle triangle. Okay, construct a right angle triangle. Let us name it as A, B and C. Okay, so in terms of sides, what is the value of tan A? Opposite side by adjacent side. Is it? Opposite side by adjacent. So which is the opposite side for A? BC. So what is the value of BC? 4. Okay. Then adjacent side? AB. And the value of it is 3. So we don't know the value of hypotenuse. Is it? So we don't know the value of AC, which is hypotenuse. So we need to find hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can say that side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. What are the sides here? 3 whole square plus 4 whole square is equal to hypotenuse square. That is 9 plus 16 is equal to hypotenuse square. Now here we don't need to transpose any of the numbers to either side. Endukante constant values anni oka side esam. The unknown value is one side. So we don't need to transpose anything. 9 plus 16 is 25. So hypotenuse square is equal to 25. So ee square number lo 25 ni ela raskochu? 5 square. Done. Hypotenuse square is equal to 5 square. Now take square root on both sides. Done. Then square and root will be cancelled out. Square and root will be cancelled out in either sides. Then hypotenuse becomes 5. So the value of AC becomes 5. Now he is asking to find sin A and cos A. What is the value of sin A now? Just say me. Opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. Which is the opposite side? That is BC by AC. What is the value of BC?
4 by 5.
Very good. And next cos A. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Which is the adjacent side for A? AB. Adjacent side for AB. Sorry. Adjacent side for A is AB. Done. Then hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse remains same. So 3 by 5. The value of cos A is 3. Now we'll discuss sixth question. Fifth is done. Now sixth question. So the sixth question is, in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, if angle A equal to angle X are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos X, then show that angle A is equal to angle X. So he has given two right angle triangles. ఇక్కడ ట్రయాంగిల్ అన్నాడంటే ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీలో రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిలే. ఓకేనా? నో అదర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ విల్ బి ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్ హియర్. We only deal with right angle triangle in trigonometry. Okay, so draw two right angle triangles. These are two right angle triangles and name it as A, B, C and X, Y, Z. You already given the names also. So triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, and angle A and angle X are Acute angles. What does it mean? Acute angle mean?
Below 90.
So the angle which is below 90. So it is below 90, is it? So this is the right angle, this is the right angle, and this is acute angle. X and A is acute angles. Both two angles are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos X. Such that cos A is equal to cos X. And he is asking to prove angle A is equal to angle X. This is to prove. He is asking to prove ఈ యాంగిల్ రెండు ఈక్వలా లేదా అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. First let us know what is the value of cos A. What is the value of cos A from this figure, from first figure? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Which is the adjacent side here? BA or AB. AB. Okay. And hypotenuse? AC equal to. In the triangle XYZ, what is the value of cos X?
XY and
XY by XZ. XY by XZ. Now it is okay. Here we know a property called like if two sides of two triangles are in proportion, then are in same proportion, then their corresponding angles will be equal. If two sides joining if two sides which are, wait, let me write the statement. If two sides corresponding to an angle are in same proportion and equal with corresponding sides of other triangle. Or let us write, if two sides corresponding to an angle are in the same proportion of two triangles are equal, then their corresponding angles are equal. Then their corresponding angles are equal. Just know the meaning of it first. If two sides corresponding to an angle, these are the two sides AB and AC. This is corresponding to the angle A, and XY and XZ. This is corresponding sides for this angle X. Okay, ikkada daaka ardhamaindi kada. Are in same proportion. They are in same proportion of two triangles. Two triangles figure sides are equal. Then their corresponding angles are equal. Ardhamainda? So here the proportional sides are equal, then their corresponding angles will be equal. This implies angle A equal to angle X. Simple. Hence proved. Simple 2 mark question. అర్థమైందా? ఫస్ట్ కాజ్ ఏ ఏంటో కనుక్కోవాలి, కాజ్ ఎక్స్ ఏంటో కనుక్కోవాలి. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఈ యాంగిల్ అనేది ఈ టూ సైడ్స్ తోనే ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. Done. With these two sides this angle is forming. Okay, then these two sides are in the proportion and it is equal to the other two sides also. So then their corresponding angles will be equal. That's all. If you have any doubts, just ask me. So let's discuss 7th question now. Now we'll discuss 7th question in the exercise number 1 from state board textbook only. So in the question it is given that cot theta is equal to 7/8. The given information is cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Okay, and he is saying to evaluate the value of 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, and the second Roman is 1 plus sine theta, second Roman is 1 plus sine theta divided by cos theta. Okay, so the given information is cot theta, so we are having sine theta and cos theta, the other trigonometric ratios we are having here. Sine theta cos theta is involving here, and here also the same sine theta and cos theta is involving here. So first we need to find the value of sine theta and the value of cos theta. So for finding the sine theta and cos theta, hypotenuse is must. Actually what is it? It is adjacent by opposite. There is no hypotenuse involved here. So we need to find hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem. So let us take this as theta. Okay, so then the adjacent side will be 7 and the opposite side is 8, and next using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is equal to root over 7 square plus 8 square. Is it? Hypotenuse is equal to root over 7 square is 49 and 8 square is 64. Root over 49 plus 64 is, what's the value of it? 113. So it is not a perfect square number, is it? 113 is not a perfect square number. So we have to keep like this only, we don't need to solve anything more. So hypotenuse value will be root over 113. Done. Now what is the value of sine theta here? Sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Very good. What is opposite side for it? 8. And hypotenuse value? Root over 113. And next cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what is the value of adjacent side here? 7 by root 113. Very good. So now let us substitute the values of sine theta and cos theta in that equation. So first what is given here is, what is given here. So now the value of sine theta is 8 by root 113 and the cos theta is 7 by root 113. Done. So here this equation is in the form of a plus b and a minus b, where a is 1 and b is sine theta, is it? So a plus b into a minus b. So we know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, is it? A square minus b square. Then so what is the value of a here? 1. So let us take it as 1 square minus b square, sine square theta. B is sine theta. By, and even in the denominator also it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Here a is 1 and b is cos theta. So a square minus, done. So now 1 square is 1, 1 minus sine square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta. Very good. Done. Till now we got it. So let us substitute the values of sine theta and cos theta directly. So 1 minus 8 by root 113 whole square, is it? Sine square theta and sine theta whole square and same, both are same, not different. So 8 by root 113 whole square divided by 1 minus 7 by root 113 whole square. Very good. Till now we are clear. So 1 minus, what is 8 square here? 64 divided by root over 113 whole square is, square and root will be cancelled each other. So 113 divided by 1 minus 7 square is 49 and in the denominator root over 113 whole square is 113. Done. Till now we got it. So let us cross multiply this. Multiply 113 with this 1 and this 113 with this 1. So then it becomes 113 into 1, 113 minus 64 whole divided by 113, and in the denominator part 113 minus 49 whole divided by 113. Done. Now it becomes, let us write over here the continuation part. So 113 minus 64 is 49, is it? 113 minus 64? 49. 40 is it? 113 minus 64 is 13, and this is 639 and then 49. Okay, 49 by 113 whole divided by 113 minus 49 is 64 by 113. Now the denominator part will be reciprocal if we multiply it. Okay, so this implies 49 divided by 113 into 113 divided by 64, and 113 will be cancelled out each other. So this implies 49 divided by 64. The value of it is the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is 49 by 64. Just simple. మనం డైరెక్ట్ ఇలాగైనా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, కానీ ఇక్కడ మనకి రూట్ ఉంది. ఈ రూట్ ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలంటే మనకి స్క్వేర్ కావాలి. సో స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ మస్ట్ టు ఎలిమినేట్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్. సో స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలంటే మనం స్క్వేర్ తెచ్చుకోవాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? We are using a property here. So it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we are acquiring the square here from the property, that is a square minus b square. So 1 square minus sin square theta, that is 1 minus sin square theta. So due to this square, the root is getting cancelled here, so that the simplification will be easy. And now let us do second one. Second one is 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Let us substitute the values directly. Okay, let us substitute the values directly. 1 plus 8 by root 113 divided by 7 by root 113. Then let us cross multiply with this. Denominator ni 1 తో cross multiply చేద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందో చూడండి. root 113 into 1 is root 113 plus 8 whole divided by root 113 whole divided by 7 by root 113. ఇక్కడ denominator లో root 113 and even lower part లో కూడా denominator root 113 will be cancelled out. The leftover part will be 8 plus root 113 divided by 7. This is the answer. So next, 8th question. Now the 8th question is, in a right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at B. If tan A is equal to root 3, and then the value of, so let us construct first a right angle triangle. Right angle is at B. Okay, so this is the right angle, and this will be A, and this is C, and he provided an information of tan A is equal to root 3. Done. So this is A. ఇప్పుడు tan A equal to root 3 అన్నాడు. Actually, what is the value of tan A in terms of sides? Opposite by adjacent. What is the value of opposite side? Root 3. Then adjacent? Adjacent? If nothing is there below it, we have to assume it as 1. పక్క 1 ఉన్నట్టే, ఏం లేదు అంటే. So that is root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1. Then the adjacent side will be 1. Then using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is equal to root over root 3 whole square plus 1 whole square. ఇప్పుడు root over ఈ square root will be cancelled out. Then 3 plus 1, that is root 4. Okay, then hypotenuse is equal to, what is the value of root 4? Root over 2 square. Is it? Square and root will be cancelled out, 2. So hypotenuse is 2. Very good. Now he is asking that Find the value of sin, first one, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. ఈ వాల్యూ ఫైన్ చేయమన్నాడు. చూడండి sin A cos C అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు అంటే మల్టిప్లై అవుతున్నట్టే రెండు. ఓకే, this is getting multiplied and even this is also getting multiplied. So now first what is the value of sin A here? మనం ఫస్ట్ sin A value, cos A, sin C, cos C. Let us find these values first. What is the value of sin A? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is the value of it? Root 3 by 2. Next, cos A, that is value 1 by 2. Next, sin C with respect to it, sin C opposite by adjacent, that is 1 by 2. Next, cos C adjacent for with respect to C, which is the adjacent side, root 3 by 2. So root 3 divided by 2. Very good. Now let us substitute the same values over here. So what is the value of sin A? Sin A, root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 into cos C value is root 3 by 2 plus cos A value is 1 by 2 and sin C value 1 by 2. ఇలా ఉందంటే this dot represents a multiplication product. So root 3 into root 3, root 3 whole square by 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4. Done. So root 3 whole square mean square and root will be cancelled out, that is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 and the same denominators. So let us take it as 4. Directly we can add 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 4, that equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, that is 1. Answer is 1. And next, other second Roman is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Okay, what is the value of cos A here? 1 by 2. Cos C root 3 by 2 minus, next sin A root 3 by 2 into sin C 1 by 2. Now root 3 into 1 into root 3, root 3 by 2 into 2, 4 minus root 3 into 1, root 3, 2 into 2, 4. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 is 0. Something minus same, both are same. So something minus something becomes 0. So root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 equal to 0. So the value of it is 0.